Are you struggling with a losing streak in trading? Learn the 5 essential steps to get back on track. Hello traders, my name is Junaid Vahid, and today we're gonna talk about 5 essential steps to overcome a losing streak in trading. Let's start with step number 1. What do you think is that, guys? Assess and review your trading plan. That's very important. The first and most important thing is to check your trading plan once again. Take a close look at your trading strategy. Make sure it is valid and suitable for the current market conditions. The markets are very dynamic. Economists and political situation are very dynamic, and everything may change. So you need to make sure that your trading strategy is suitable for that current conditions. Review your recent trades to spot any patterns, any mistakes that you might do. That can help you to understand if the losses are due to a poor strategy, execution errors, or external factors. Okay. Step number 2, reduce your position size. That's very crucial, very important. Lowering your position size can help you mitigate further losses, further big losses, and reduce your emotion impact in trading. Higher lot size equals big stress. Do you want big stress while you are trading? No. Reduce your position size, and that will provide you a fresh perspective on the market and your strategies. You will lower your stress levels and you will be ready for the next journey. Step number 3, take a break. Simply, everybody needs a break. Have a vacation. No, I'm joking. It must be a short break. Sometimes the best action is to step away for trading, but for short term. This break can help you to clear your mind, reduce your stress levels again, and provide fresh perspectives on the markets and your trading strategies. Step number 4, revisit risk management rules. You might have risk management rules, but they might not be so suitable for your trading strategy. So revisit, check them again, make sure you are sticking to the strict risk management rules, set a stop loss orders, define maximum loss limits per trade. This will prevent significant drawdowns in your trading account, guys, and of course will reduce your stress levels, and that will help you to not make wrong decisions. Step number 5, mentorship. Simple. Seek a feedback from experts. Discuss your situation with a mentor or trading community. Getting an outside perspective can provide really valuable insight to help and identify blind spots in your trading approach. That can really give you more confidence. You can discuss a lot of topics about your trading strategies, risk management with your mentor. So make sure you have mentor or some trading community. And guess what? We are there for you in XM Life educational rooms, both beginners and advanced room. By following these steps, guys, you can regain control, protect your capital, and improve your trading performance over time. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. For more trading tips and strategies, find me in both XM beginners and advanced rooms. Find the link below the description. See you there, guys. Bye-bye.